Hi everyone, hope you guys are doing good. So in today's video, I will be giving you more insights about my blockchain domain collection or the portfolio that I currently have. So one of the ways I used to diversify my investment is to domain collections. So I invest both in centralized and decentralized domain names. And for decentralized domain names, I use unstoppabledomains.com where I purchase my blockchain based domains. So what is blockchain based domains, and I will give you a overview of how I purchase these domains and my entire current portfolio of the domains that I possess in my collection. So Unstoppable Domains is a San Francisco based company building blockchain based domains. These domains replace cryptocurrencies address with human readable names and are powered by Ethereum and Silica blockchains. So for example, instead of remembering the entire cryptocurrency wallet address, we can easily send it in the, if it was like mark.crypto or jack.crypto, it is much more easier to remember it for someone to send the cryptocurrency to the other person. So this is how it solves one of the real world problems and it makes it easier. But what I found it more interesting is unstoppable domains. The domains that you buy from this platform are decentralized, which makes it that you are the only person who owns it and you have absolute control over those domains. So domains can be transferred, updated and linked to other services without any involvement from unstoppable domains. So basically, if you purchase a domain from GoDaddy or HostGator or any of the centralized platforms, so they are controlled and operated by a centralized system of a non-profit organization known as Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. So over there, they control the domain. So if they want to modify or want to block some of the contents that the government or the institution doesn't feel worth it, so they will be able to do it. So when you have a blockchain based domain, you have absolute control over them of the content that you put, and no one can block it at any point of time or remove or do anything along with it. So that is how blockchain based domain works, and it's one of the biggest advantage of owning a blockchain. So apart from this, one of my favorite feature in unstoppable domain is there is no renewal fees. For example, if you purchase a domain from GoDaddy, maybe for the first year you would be able to get a very discounted price, but from second year or third year you will have to pay yearly renewal fees for the domain that you possess. But for in unstoppable domains, usually .crypto is being sold at $40, and that is the only price that you're gonna pay for the rest of your life for owning that domain. So this is one of the biggest advantage in case if you're operating a business or even for the long-term point of view. When you visit unstoppabledomains.com, you can see they have introduced 8 new extensions: .coin, .wallet, .bitcoin, .x, .888, .nft, .dao and .blockchain. Earlier, they used to have .crypto and .sil. .crypto was priced somewhere around $40 and .sil was priced at $20. But depending on the domain name, it can be sold at way higher price. One such example is where sex.crypto, which was being sold for 230 Ethereum or $90,000. So one doubt which most of you will have at this point of time is, how do I sell a .crypto domain? So the website which I used to sell the domains are OpenSea.io. I'll leave a link in the description box below. So this is the collections that they have currently right now. An average domain is being sold at 0.62 Ethereum, and these are the newly listed domains which are currently available. So dweb.crypto, 360earth.crypto, which is priced at 25 Ethereums. So you can find different domains being sold at different prices. Just because the average price is 0.62 Ethereum doesn't guarantee you that each domains will be sold at that price. It is just an average price, and the sale price depends on the value of the domain that you possess. To check the value of the domain that you possess, you can either go check it at stbot.com, which I'll leave a link in the description box below, or you can go to the GoDaddy's domain appraisal website and check the price or the valuation of the domain that you plan to buy. Have a look into my domain collection. So the extensions that I currently hold are .wallet, .coin, .888 and .crypto. So under .wallet, I have this domains, bucketlist.wallet and freecoins.wallet. Under .coin, I have bucketlist.coin and listyourcrypto.coin. Under .888, I have lotterycoin.888. And under crypto, I have lotterycoins.crypto and shopnftarts.crypto. So these are the domains which I have in my portfolio. Over here under lotterycoins.crypto, you can see an option claim with Ethereum. If you want me to make a video on the process, I'll be more than happy to do it. So, and also if you want me to make a video on how to list it on OpenSea.io, I will make a video on both of it. So let me know in comments down below if you want me to make a video on those process. Shopnftarts.crypto is already available for purchase at OpenSea.io. And now let's go into the new extensions and what do they mean. So .blockchain is not currently available for purchase right now. It will take approximately 3 weeks to be available. .bitcoin, .coin, .nft, .wallet, .x, .888, .dao. These are the ones which are currently available, and since they have this new extensions available, they have introduced an offer of 100 million airdrop. So for every $1 you're gonna spend, you're going to get 3 promo credit back into your account. You can use these credits to make more domain purchases within the website. The last offer date is on June 22nd, 2021. For more information, feel free to look into this website and learn more about blockchain domains. And if you feel it is really worth an investment, then make sure to check the domain extensions and make a purchase. I have been investing in domains for quite a long time, and I feel this is something which is going to be huge in the upcoming years. That's one of the reason I have invested in blockchain based domains. I will be leaving a link in the description box below, where every new customers can get a $10 off when you make a purchase of more than $40. And if you have any doubts regarding domains or how to invest in domains, please make sure to comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. So have a nice day and bye.